GM will officially reveal Chevy Blazer EV on July 18th. Man, automotive has been kickstarted big
so
time
exciting.
by EV stuff. They're like, we got this one in EV and that one in EV and this one in EV. Sonic says, do you want to take a break?
We were actually going to take a break.
Yeah, I knew that you were close, and Sonic also knew that you were close, and they were just trying to help you out there, Will, because they're part of the community, which is incredibly helpful to us and one another here on CNN Plus.
Oh,
I just saw his finger move over top, like near the button. He was kind of anticipating that I might
Right.
drop it, and then so I had to follow through. The electric Blazer goes on sale in 2023. What do you guys think? Okay, let's have a little 1-2 punch. Here is your electric Blazer.
oh, I like this.
Kind of like the Mach-E.
It is kind
Yeah.
of like the Mach-E.
The shape and the utility of it. It's obviously an SUV.
Tapers off near the back.
Got some haunches back there.
I always like the two-tone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
With the A and B pillars.
there you go.
And then,
They kept the grill.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's
No, but that
interesting.
it has a light coming across now. That's an EV trend, right? You have the
Yeah,
straight
yeah.
light that goes all the way across and even lights up the logo in this case. That's the SS model, so that's going to be your performance model, I presume. That'll maybe be the first one that they ship. 2024 Blazer EV, proper reveal July 18th. The automaker has said it aims for the Equinox EV to start at $30,000. It has yet to set similar pricing expectations for the Blazer. 30 Gs would be quite a number. 30,000 for that?
Wow, that's really cheap.
Well, that would be a number to hit, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Compact midsize SUVs. Blazer EV is also expected to make official debut later this year with the SS Performance model, built on GM's Ultium battery and powertrain platform, which will serve as the foundation for the automaker's next generation of EVs. The gas-powered Equinox was rated 10th most popular SUV in 2021 by Kelley Blue Book. So yeah, you bring the EV version. Oh, there you go. 2022 Blazer starts at $33,400, goes up to $36,100 with all-wheel drive. I don't know, man. If they can hit certain price points. Well, they're talking about the current one, right? Yeah, they're talking about the current one. But they're saying that they want to replicate it with the EV version. So 30 is the target. If they can do it, they're going to sell some. No doubt about it.